Bone broth in peach raspberry? Yes, please. Bone broth protein isn't new, but this powder makes it easy and enjoyable. Transparent ingredients from a Canadian company, which I love supporting right now. A refreshing way to add protein without heavy shakes or cooking. Old school nutrients, modern flavor. Let's check it out. Alrighty, here we go. Big beef protein. 150 calories per one scoop, which is 30 grams of protein. Full transparency in the amino acid profile. All the ingredients in there. It's got MCT oil, sweetened stevia. Let's check it out. So excited. I used to use tons of bone broth back in the day. Smells good. Man, this bag is full. Like, look. So I've got I don't know, it's about 8 ounce or more glass water. Get the scoop. Ooh. Big scoop full. Pour it in. Wanted to taste it this way first to see if I like it, and then I'll probably just add it to my smoothie. My thing's running out of batteries, but try and mix it as much as I can. Probably work better if it had stronger batteries in it. It's mixing pretty good. Let's taste it. Oh my God. Tastes like, oh my God, you wouldn't think that was bone broth. Oh man, what does it taste like? It tastes like a raspberry shake. Boy, you can drink it just like that. That is amazing. I am very impressed. So, hydrolyzed grass-fed beef collagen, beef isolate, and beef bone broth. 907 gram bag and very reasonably priced. Check the description for more. Let's go.